In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view layers on Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever opened a complex PDF, like a map, an architectural plan, or a design proof, you've probably noticed that certain content can be shown or hidden. That's controlled by layers, and learning how to access them in Acrobat will help you focus on exactly what you need, when you need it. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This works in both the free reader version and the pro version. Once Acrobat is up, open the PDF you want to work with. You can use File, then Open, or simply drag and drop your file into the window. A quick note before we go further, not every PDF includes layers. If your document doesn't have any, the layers option won't appear later, and that's completely normal. Now look to the top of the Acrobat window for the main menu bar. Click the menu at the top and choose View. From there, hover over Show, Hide. This is where Acrobat groups options for turning interface elements on and off. We're going to use it to reveal the panel that controls layers. Within Show, Hide, select Side Panels. In some versions of Acrobat, this area may be labeled Navigation Panes, but it serves the same purpose. It toggles the panels that sit along the left side of your document. When you select Side Panels, a list of panel options will appear. From that list, choose Layers. The Layers panel will open on the left side of your screen. If you don't see layers listed, your PDF likely doesn't contain layered content. When the Layers panel appears, you'll see a list representing the different layers in your document. Each layer usually has a visibility toggle, often shown as an eye icon. Click the toggle to hide or show that layer's content in the main document view. If a layer contains sublayers or groups, you can expand it to see more detailed controls, which helps when you're working with complex files. As you turn layers on and off, Acrobat updates the display immediately, so you can isolate text, images, or annotations as needed. This is especially helpful for comparing design options, turning off reference grids, or focusing on a single discipline in a multi-trade drawing set. If you plan to share the PDF with others, remember that layer visibility typically follows what you set here, so review your layer states before exporting or sending. That's all you need to view and manage layers in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF, go to View, then Show, Hide, select Side Panels, and choose Layers. With this panel at your fingertips, you can navigate even the most complex PDFs with confidence.